Boom! What's going on, everyone? I'm Logan, the 64th Gear Jammer Skeele, and this is Toy Talk. I've had several requests from subscribers to talk about some Greenlight replicas. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a while, and we can see if there is a green machine in the box. If you have any items that you'd like me to review, let me know down in the comments, and I will try to make a video just for you. Remember, I sell Greenlight along with other great die-cast replicas over on my website, farmtoysandmore.com. A purchase over on my store really helps a great deal to keep this channel going. Now, let's head on over to the rock quarry and unbox a great Greenlight set. And here we go, guys. This is Greenlight item number 46040, the Dually Drivers Series number 4 in its sealed box. And we're going to go on and open it up just for you guys and show it off. There's a good question as to whether or not we'll get a green machine in here. But let's see. I haven't done one of these unboxing videos in a long time. Yep, there's a green machine. And there's the complete set out of the box. Now, we'll start off with talking about the A version, since there are 6 different versions. The A is the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD crane truck. Now, they had the service bed before, but they did not have the crane option. As you can see back there, this has the crane. It comes with the hitch on the back, a nice painted wheel with soft rubber tires, has a nice set of mirrors that are chrome plated, front bumper and grille is chrome plated, and individual dual style headlights. It also has tinted hard plastic windows, roof clearance lights, lots of nice little tampos around it, and underneath it just has your standard chassis with minimal detail, including drive shaft, muffler, suspensions, that kind of stuff. One other quick note, it does have running boards on each side, and then it does have the little tailgate, but the tailgate doesn't open. None of the doors open. Next we have another all-new tooling. Well, not really all-new tooling, but it has new tooling parts, which is this dump bed. It's a contractor's, landscaper's type dump bed, and if you'll notice, it sits pretty far back after the rear axle. So if you were to have this fairly heavy loaded, you would tip the truck over when you dumped it, because there's just too much behind the rear axle. It comes with the ball hitch on the back. The bed does dump, and the tailgate opens on it. The tailgate right here will open. The bed is all black. There's little brake lights that are tampoed in the bed. There's a toolbox underneath. You can see there's these 2 straps that hold it down. And then it is the 2017 Silverado, same tooling as the 16. It's got the chrome mirror caps, chrome bumper, grille, and individual dual style lights. Also, it has the same painted wheels as the other one, duals on the rear, singles up front, running boards, tinted windows, roof lights tampoed on. And this one has the black bow tie in the Chevy badge in the grille. They tampoed it black, and then there's some little black inside the grille to make it look really nice. And that is the B version, the 2017 Silverado 3500 HD dump truck. Next up is the E version. and it is a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie, and it is the Mopar Off-Road Edition. It is a standard dually pickup with a dually pickup bed. It has white letter tires on it, and it has these fancy Mopar graphics. Ram 3500 and all the rest of the details. In the back, it has chrome rear step bumper and the little ball hitch. The taillights are tampoed on, and then there's the big Ram logo right in the center of the bed. Brake light on top. Then we go up on the roof. It has the roof clearance lights tampoed in white and the satellite radio. There's also a Ram logo right there on the hood. Kind of a sharp paint job, but I don't know. Not my fan. Individual jewel style headlights, chrome grille, chrome bumpers, and it has the Ram logo in the grille. Underneath, transmission, drive shaft, suspension, minor detail, just like all the rest of their chassis. They also did put running boards on this truck and tinted cab windows. Mirrors are there, and they're pretty nice mirrors. Greenlight does a nice job, especially for the price point. Now let's get up over to the D version. We go back to Chevrolet on this one, and we get a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado with the all-new wrecker bed. And then you have the tinted windows here on the cab, chrome grille, black bow tie, individual jewel style headlights, and chrome bumper. Running boards, painted wheels, and then tinted windows on the cab. Now the new part on this one is this little wrecker bed. It is a wheel lift type wrecker. It'll fold down, and then it raises and lowers a little bit, so you could actually probably pick up a car and haul it away. This is a pretty common wrecker bed used by repo companies more than towing companies anymore. Most of them have gone to bigger trucks because the vehicles are bigger, but repos use these a lot. The E version, and this one is a green machine. Yay. How many of you guys actually are really fans and collectors of the green machines? Just let me know. I'd like to know. It's the Ram 3500 Bighorn Harvest Edition in black over silver. It is a regular standard dually bed, 4x4 tampo there, Ram Cummins graphics on the door, and the quarter fender. The green wheels, the non-chase version had black wheels, but this one has the green. Up on the roof, it has your clearance lights up top, and then it has smoked back windows and clear front windows. So this is more of a standard stock truck. Front of it here has the grille that's chrome plated, bumper chrome plated, Ram logo in the grille, and individual jewel style headlights. Underneath, being a green machine, it has the green chassis. Now, a regular version would just have a black chassis. To the back, chrome rear step bumper, ball hitch, and painted taillights. Also right there is the Ram logo in the center of the dually bed. Not the biggest fan of that green wheels, but I know a lot of people like the green machines. Just let me know what you think of them. And now for the last one in the set, we finally get to the Ford. It's the F-350 Lariat dually, only they put a cover on the bed this time, which is a new part. It's for the Fort Lauderdale Police Dive Rescue Team. Standard dually bed. It's the only bed you can get on the Ford because it's a one-piece cabin bed design. It has running boards, chrome wheels with soft rubber tires, mirrors that are painted black, non-tinted windows. They're not even smoked on the back. They're all clear, which is very common for police. On the front, black painted bumper, black painted grille with the Ford logo tampoed in the center, Super Duty up on the hood front, and individual jewel style headlights. Round to the back, we've got the Ford logo in the bed and Fort Lauderdale Police underneath it, tampoed brake lights, and then you've got a black painted bumper with the ball hitch. And there we go. That is Greenlight's Dually Drivers Series 4, a set of 6 great dually trucks, a service bed, a dump truck, 3 regular pickups, and a wrecker. In this set even included new tooling parts of a crane for the service bed, a dump bed, and a wrecker bed. Also, it came with the new tooling part for the F350 of a hard tonneau cover.
Greenlight Collectibles makes us some of the best cars and pickups for our layouts. Let me know how many you have in your collection down in the comments. Also, guys, please help me out to keep this channel going by buying products over on my online store, farmtoysandmore.com. This channel takes a lot of time to make videos for you guys, and a purchase will go a long, long way to keep it going. There's a link to my store down in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Smash that like button, share this video with your followers, and subscribe to my channel for more great die-cast product reviews and histories behind the models. I'm Logan, the 64th Gear Jammer Skeele, and I'll be back soon with another episode of Toy Talk.